This tutorial will show you how to split a template in Capcut PC online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you're on the templates tab in Capcut PC, laptop, or even desktop, you want to locate or find a template that you would like to split in Capcut PC completely for free.
Here we go.
You can click on the template and click the plus icon, or you can even add it to the timeline or the track like so. Now let's say we want to split this template.
Here we go.
Around right here, you want to click B on your keyboard to bring up the razor tool and click. Now notice it says replace all the clips in a template before editing. Let's see if we can split. Okay, it doesn't work, so you want to click and highlight the video clip and click where it says clip to be replaced. Now scroll up and click this icon, replace. You want to locate and find a video clip on your desktop or PC or laptop to replace. And once you click open or you have replaced the clip, now if we click B on our keyboard, we can now successfully split the template on Capcut PC. And you can click or highlight and delete completely for free.